Hello everyone, in this video, I'll guide you through creating and integrating Facebook Pixel seamlessly into your website. To get started, we'll be using Delta Facebook Pixel app available in the Shopify App Store. This app allows you to effortlessly install multiple Facebook pixels with just one click. Let's create a Facebook pixel. For this, all you need to have a Facebook business account. Navigate to your Facebook business account settings. Go to Data Sources section. Click on Datasets. Click on Add button to create a new pixel. Provide a name for your pixel and click Create. Click on Open in Event Manager. Now click on Settings. Here you will get the pixel ID, access token, and test event code. Let's install the Facebook pixel. Navigate to the Delta Pixel app. Click on Add New Pixels. Enter the pixel name. Copy the pixel ID from Event Manager and paste it in Delta Pixel app. Click on Conversion API. Go to the Event Manager, scroll down, turn on these two settings here. Click on Generate Access Token and paste the access token in Delta Pixel app. Navigate back to the Event Manager, click on the Test Event tab. Expand the first tab, copy the test event code and paste it in the Delta Pixel app. Click Next. Now let's integrate the app in 2 easy steps. Click Enable. A new pop-up will appear on the screen. Click on Enable Extension. Now enable the Delta Pixel extension and click Save. Now the second step is to integrate the script with your customer events page. Copy the script. Navigate to the Customer Events page, click on Add Custom Pixel. Write your pixel name and click Add Pixel. Replace the code with script and save the changes. Scroll up and click Connect. Now go back to the Customer Event page. Here you can see that the pixel listed and connected now. Navigate back to Delta Pixel app, click I have done both steps and click Done. Congratulations! You've successfully created and integrated Facebook Pixel into your Shopify store. Now let's check whether the pixel is working or not. Go to the online store, select any product and make a purchase. Let's go to Event Manager. Here you can see that all the events or activities are tracked by the pixel. You can also check these activities in the Delta Pixel app. Go to Analytics, select today's date, and click on Apply button. Now here you can see one purchase, checkout. All the activities are tracked in the app. So your pixel integration is successful and it is working correctly. Thank you.